Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account as an administrator. Navigate to the gear icon, then select Account and Settings. This is where you'll find the options to manage your subscription. Before you cancel, ensure all your financial data is up to date and consider exporting it for your records. This process is straightforward. Once in Account and Settings, click on the Billing and Subscription tab. Here, you'll see your current plan details. Look for the Cancel Subscription or Cancel Service link, usually found near the bottom of the page. QuickBooks may ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for canceling. Follow these prompts carefully to proceed with the cancellation. After selecting to cancel, you'll likely encounter a few more screens asking for confirmation or feedback. It's important to complete all these steps to finalize the cancellation. Once confirmed, your subscription will be set to cancel at the end of your current billing period. You should receive an email confirming the cancellation details shortly after. Remember, even after canceling, your data typically remains accessible in a read-only format for about 1 year. However, it's always best practice to export any critical reports or data you might need before your subscription fully ends. If you're leaving due to changing needs, explore other QuickBooks plans. There might be a better fit for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.